Hand pay $7,000, $8,000, guys.
All right, man.
Holy moly! Oh, we got it! Oh! Oh! Yes, guys! We got it! Do $188. Try and hit a bonus here. The major $889. The pot's actually almost full, so that's good. All right, guys. $188. Let's get it. Oh, wow! Are you kidding me?
Look at that.
Are you kidding me right now? Hold on. Hold on. If I could just kill this machine. Wow, that would have been so good. Oh. Oh. That screen was ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Come on, Dancing Drums Explosion.
What first spin that would have been?
Oh my God. That would have been like $600-700, I bet. Oh.
Shit.
Oh, I almost hit $10. That would have been fun. Oh, no. Close it. Nope. Oh yeah,
Oh, nice.
gold.
There you go.
4 symbol trigger. Ding, ding, dang.
Love this game.
Dang, dang, dang. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for the gold. There they are. Hold on, hold on. Oh, there it went. Oh my God. We got to do it, guys. There's no other option.
Oh, you went big.
You have to. Oh, we get anything? Nope, we didn't get nothing.
Not much.
Oh, re-trigger. Oh, a 5 symbol trigger.
Oh, nice.
How much is that? I don't know how much that is, bro. I'm gonna let it count though. $88.
Nice.
And we got 4 spins left.
Beautiful. All right, good pick.
Oh my God. What's up, Linda A? Look at that, just in time. Oh my gosh, we got 4 more spins. I'm gonna faint.
It did. Coins all the way. Yeah, I think it already added your spins.
Oh yeah, it did.
6 or 3.
All right, come on, do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my, oh, we got another freaking re-trigger. And boots.
Heck yeah. 64.
Oh my goodness. All right, guys, we gotta keep it going. I mean, this is the max lines. This could get unreal. This could literally get unreal.
Another slot all day.
This could get crazy. Oh, come on, baby. Do something nuts. Oh. Oh.
You got coins.
Oh no, don't do that. We got 4 spins left. Oh. It's got
one more drum, we would have had them all the way again.
It's still decent. Come on. Huge. Come on. Dragons. Oh. 2 more spins. No. Oh, no. Come on. Oh. That's good.
Okay, that's green all the way.
Yes. And ships all the way. Nice, guys. Had to end on that high note right there.
Beautiful. They gotta close that pot.
I know. You know what's crazy? Remember you said shim it, and then I went to hit it, and I was like, oh my god, I accidentally almost hit 10 bucks.
Oh, I wish.
I think that was that spin.
That would have been.
That's right, Eric. Big E. All right, guys. $325. She's Clark. She's big. A little full. A lot of sap. All right. Well,
Bring it back.
now we Gucci. Damn straight, Andy. Oh, I want the pot to close so bad. So bad. Eddie, come on. Kind of want another bonus. Oh. Come on. Oh, close the pot. Oh, close it. Come on, baby. Lots of wild chances to close that puppy. That miner's up there too. Oh, look at that. That's good. 32 bucks. Did you hear me?
What?
That miner's up there.
Oh yeah.
$60 miner, guys. Oh. Oh, no. That's the gold one. You wanted to close with that, right?
Yeah.
What's up, J Real? J Real, bro. Thanks for tagging us in that live yesterday. Oh, who was live yesterday? Who was that with Marjorie? Queen Cash, I think, right? But yeah, guys, somebody hit a Supreme on, oh gosh, what's that game called? Crystal Ball Dragon something? I don't know. But it was awesome.
Queen Cash slots.
Queen
yeah,
Cash, that's it. Yeah, that's what I thought.
That was awesome to see.
Yeah, she had Marjorie on there. Marjorie won over 10 grand. It was awesome to see. I mean, that reaction from Marjorie was absolutely priceless. That's what I expect from people when they hit something like that. I see way too many people at a casino and literally hit for like 7-8 grand. They're just sitting there, just like waiting on a slot pennant. I'm like, dude, you'd have to drag, oh, there we go. You'd have to drag me out of this casino because I'd be going nuts. And Marjorie was going nuts, and I was so happy for her. Boom. All right, there's our progressives, guys. Let's go for that major. Hashtag no mini. I'll go here. Oh, I got the grand. Go, TJ. I'll go again? All right. Oh, I got a major.
Right, keep going.
Keep going. Oh, I got a grand. Let's keep this going here. Okay. How'd that... Oh. The miner's only 59 bucks with the boost.
Okay. We don't want you.
Oh, man.
We'll take you.
Pink. Okay.
Right.
25 bucks.
Wow, look at that. It's less than the mini.
Wow, yeah, it is.
Oh, did you? Okay. Oh, nice.
Really? You always do that too. We're like, we got to hit it before she gets a chance. It's the race to get the mini. That's what it is. Oh my gosh, it gets close again. All right, this time I'm swiping. Ready? Oh, another minor. Not bad. We got the minor, and it was a whole 45 cents less than the mini. Come on. I want another gold drum bonus. Badly. Oh!
Oh, you jerk.
I just said I wanted it badly, and it almost did it. Oh, look at that.
Where were you at up front?
Oh. Oh no. Oh, almost had it again.
I did, Kim. I always do.
What'd you do?
Called the machine a jerk.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, I shimmed him over to the second reel. Nope. Oh, no. You need one in the second reel. Don't listen to me. I try and tell you. Do it. Nope. Come on, baby. One more bonus here. Oh, close it now. No. I know. That'd have been the one to close it on. We are up. Right now, doggone slots. Happily up. Unexpectedly on this game, because this isn't really a Shimmer favorite. Actually, I lied. Actually, it is. The regular dancing drums we never really played till this puppy came around, and then it's like, whoa, you got to. Come on, I want one more bonus before we end this thing here. All right, one more 88-cent spin. Oh, well, hey, that was...